The reason it's so important to upload your photos on certain dates is because the usage of these images is very complicated. Are you done? Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Charles Wollertz. This is Wollertz Photography, and today I'm going to share with you a bit of a strategy to be better at stock photography. A lot of people have these questions. When do I upload Christmas photos? When do I upload Valentine's Day photos? So I went through every holiday there is, and believe me, there's a lot of them. And I made a guide that's going to hopefully help you in your strategy and generate some images that are going to sell. I took a calendar. I so happen to have one of mine right here, which, by the way, they're still available. And I went through every single holiday there is. Now, I didn't put every holiday in my calendar, so I went to Google and I researched what holidays and what do we celebrate in this country, because let's face it, the US is very commercial, which is what we need for stock photography. We need commercial images. I went month by month and I compiled a list of ideas. There's over 20 ideas per month of images that you can make for certain holidays, for certain themes, for just different photo shoots that you can create. Now, I made this list for the video, and there's, like I said, there's over 20 items per month. I'm not gonna go through all of them, but if you're interested on the list, head on over to wollertzphotography.com and you can download the free PDF with all the information that I compiled. Now, there's celebrations and holidays for everything. Some of these I don't even agree with. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you believe in these or not. They're commercial things. I wrote down the ones that I thought would have the highest commercial value, so you can make images that are going to sell. There's a few reasons why it's important to upload your images at specific dates. Number one is when your photos first get approved, they're going to be shown to new buyers, or they're going to be in the new category. If somebody's looking for Christmas photos, you want yours to be in the fresh or new category. That way they're going to find them. If you upload Christmas photos right at Christmas, they're not going to be found until next year, and anybody that does images in July, theirs are going to be findable first. So there's a bit of a strategy when it comes to stock photography. The other reason is it takes editors and buyers a fairly long time to use the images. For example, let's say I'm working on a piece for Thanksgiving. I need 30 images to do an article or to do a vlog. I'm looking for photos in July. By the time I finish, it's going to be August. By the time I print it or send it out to get printed and brought back to me, it's going to be another couple of weeks. By the time I deliver, you're looking at another week or two. And then if it's past the holiday, then it was all that work for nothing. So there's there's an order to these things, and that's why it is very important to stick to the calendar. Now, I used to do this a lot. I'm not doing this as much anymore because, you know, YouTube life, other clients and everything. So I just upload when I have the photos. But to be successful, I did notice that when I upload at the right times, more of my photos get bought than if I just randomly upload photos all the time. So let me get to the list real quick. I'm going to give you just a couple examples so you can have an idea of when to upload certain images. Most of these are broke down by 4 months. So 4 months should be enough time to take the photo, edit, and upload, and then have the photo reviewed. Some agencies, like one I have in mind right now, it might take a month or two before they review the photo. But that's all right. You know, things change. This has happened. This is the longest review times I've seen with this particular agency. I think everybody knows who I'm talking about. It'll probably come back to normal at some point or another. So don't worry about the long review times. Things will change. They always have. All right, hold on. My leg is numb. All right, so back to the guide. This is, like I said, this is available for download, completely free. And one more tip I want to share with you is if you buy props right after a specific holiday, you can save a lot of money, more than 15%. If you go to, if you buy Halloween decorations right after Halloween, you can use them to follow in July to make some Halloween photos. And this will keep your images fresh, and usually that means more downloads. But let me share something like, just some of these specific what to shoot in August. Now, in the guide, I have 3 ideas that are the main ones. To me, that's the ones that have the most sellability. So like Thanksgiving, you make those pictures in August. Day of the Dead, you make those pictures in August. All Saints Day, these are very similar, but these are celebrations that are worldwide that are gonna get you some money. There's also National Nachos Day, America Recycles Day, Evolution Day. If you can make those dates into images, chances are you're gonna make some sales. Now look, there's a whole bunch for August. If I go to September, Christmas, Human Rights Month, Gingerbread House Day. Let's go to October, New Year's Eve, Mind Body Wellness Day, National Train Your Dog Month. Are you trained? Or am I trained? If you go to November, Valentine's Day. What to upload in December, and I know this because I already started selling some. St. Patrick's Day. Every year, every December, January, February, I sell green beer because that's how we celebrate St. Patrick's Day here in the US. Corned beef and cabbage, green beer, the beads, all of these things are gonna be images that people are looking for. Working Mom's Day, National Nutrition Month. If you can think of one way to make these concepts into images, then you're way ahead of the game. And like I said, there's ideas for every month. January, Easter, Earth Day, Walk to Work Day, and yes, 420. Every January, February, I start to sell a lot of photos that I did for clients years ago. These are commercial holidays. Whether you like the holiday or not, it doesn't matter. These are images that are going to generate you some more sales and might as well be your photo. Again, the guide is available to download completely free at wollertzphotography.com. And I'm also running a special on my calendar. I only have 1 box left. So if anybody's interested, I'm offering free shipping here in the US. And it's only shipping to the US because I made a mistake. I made it too big with the spiral, so the shipping costs are astronomical. So for the last box I have available, all these are gonna go free shipping, US only. I have many plans and many video ideas for this year. I wanna level up my photography. I wanna go from here to here, take it to another level. And I also wanna share anything that I learned with you guys so you can also level up and become better photographers. Not only stock photography, but anything related to do with photography. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Goodbye. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. No. What?